Hello guys, welcome back. So today we're going to learn some new elements. So let's start off with the file we just created in our last video. So if you don't have it, it usually pops up somewhere here, but if you don't have it, you can just go back to File, Open, and then I remember I saved it in Desktop, so you should click Desktop. And I did save it as index. It's right there, index.html, so just open it and you'll have the code back as it was when we just left it. So today I'm going to show you the H1 to H6 elements. So those are just like in Google Docs we have like increasing the size of the text. Those are basically what the elements are. So if I have H1 right here, and so if I want, let's go ahead and take the P out. Let's say we want make this bigger. So with H1 to H6 elements, H1 element is the biggest. It's not like as the number increases, the text size gets bigger. So you got to make sure that you understand H1 is the biggest and H6 is the smallest. So I'll just show you. Smallest text. So, and then go ahead and save, or you can just do Control S. Then click this button right here, that's Live Preview. Yes, so as you can see, this hello was our header. This hello world is our title. Make this bigger was what we created through the H1 element. As you can see, it gets big. And then the smallest text is the H6 element. And there's also, you can also do H3. See how H3 looks like. Medium text. Save it. So the live preview, as you save stuff, automatically refreshes on the Chrome browser, so that's why you can see that right there. Medium text. So those are the H1 to H6 elements. And now, what if, let's go back to this bigger. Now let's do a P element. Remember, P was just like a paragraph, so where we can just write a bunch of text. So if we just go ahead and ramble on, let's just do a bunch of words, and we want to break here. Let's say we want to go to the next line. That's what we would use, BR. That would break the text and then automatically jump below to the next line. Say this just jumped the next line. It's like the enter tab. It's not the tab. It's just like the enter button in a Google Docs. It automatically goes to the next line. So save it, and then you can see, whoops, wrong Chrome. Right there. Cause right after this K, right here, we put a break. Just show you right there again. Put a break right there. So that's why you see it just jumped to the next line. So that's the break element. I also want to show you something cool. The marquee element. So the marquee element basically kind of moves the text up and down indefinitely. It's just like a billboard sign. Yeah, it's like a billboard sign. I can show you. So this is a marquee that just keeps moving. What you have to do is, we didn't talk about this yet. We'll do it in our next lesson, but it's basically each element also has an attribute. So for marquee attribute would be direction equals, and then you have to, let's say we want this to indefinitely go up. Let's do up. Okay, so whatever between the beginning and the end of the marquee element is what's going to be moved indefinitely. So, better explain. Let's just show. See how this goes up? Can you see that? Yes. So, we told it to go up. That's why it's going up. How about, let's do right. Let's save it. See? It's gonna go indefinitely all the way to the end. And then come back. Let's do down. Yeah, this is just something cool. And then if we want to increase the length of the marquee again, you can try the break button. This is the next line. Whoops. Then save this and check this out. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So that's it for today. So we learned about the marquee, the H1 through 6 elements, and we did the break element. So it wasn't a lot today, but we'll continue the continue learning elements in our next video. Again, refresher, you always need that top HTML element and end it with that bottom HTML element. Each element has an ending to it. The marquee, for example, again, has that slash with the ending element. It needs to. And what other thing we learned today was the attribute of an element. So for marquee, it was direction equals down, up, left, right. You can decide. And then, yeah, that would be it for today. And hope you enjoyed the video. And I will be posting new videos, so please subscribe to know when the new video comes out. Thanks. Bye.